Very good morning, students, and Jai Hind. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. Chapter 6 Retirement of a Partner. Today's Today we are on the adjustment second, that is valuation and adjustment of goodwill or treatment of goodwill. Students, before today class, or we can say in the last class, we learned to calculate the gaining ratio in different situation when a partner is retired in the firm. So that was the first adjustments of this chapter, and today we are going to discuss the second adjustment, that is valuation and adjustment of goodwill. So basically, for which we have to do the valuation and for which we have to do the adjustment, means for firm, for any specific partner, for old partner, continuing partner, or retiring partner. So for which partner we have to do the adjustment. So first we have to calculate the valuation and we have to do the valuation of goodwill of the firm, and then how can we calculate the goodwill of the retiring partner. So student, first we need to calculate the goodwill of retiring partner, and that partner goodwill will be adjusted into the firm. Have you clear? First of all, we have need to calculate the goodwill of the retiring partner. Which partner is retiring from the firm? For that we have need to calculate the goodwill, and that goodwill will be distributing among the continuing partner or the existing partner whosoever partner will remain in the firm after retirement of a partner. एक पार्टनर रिटायर्ड होता है, उसके बाद जो एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर्स होंगे उनके बीच में जो गुडविल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगी वो रिटायरिंग पार्टनर की गुडविल को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे इन देयर गेनिंग रेशियो. इज इट क्लियर? सो first, if the firm's goodwill is given in the question, then we have need to calculate the goodwill of the retiring partner. So if we have to calculate the goodwill of retiring partner, so retiring partners share of goodwill. So basically we have need to calculate the goodwill of retiring partner. retiring partner की goodwill की calculation की हमें requirement है, तो it means value of firm's goodwill multiply profit share of retiring partner. It is clear? So retiring partner share of goodwill, it is calculated when the firm's goodwill is given, then we have to multiply the profit sharing ratio of the retiring partner, then we can calculate the goodwill of the retiring partner. Here two situations are there at the time of retirement of a partner related to the goodwill. So these situations are, the first one is when goodwill does not exist in the books of firm. This is the first point, when goodwill does not exist into the firm. So related to this, how the goodwill will calculate and evaluate, and then what the journal entry we will pass in between the partners. Okay, so first we need to calculate the goodwill of the retiring partner. That goodwill or the retiring partner goodwill will distribute among the partners in their gaining profit share ratio. So the journal entry will pass, that is gaining partners capital account debit and to retiring partner capital retiring partners capital account. It will distribute in gaining ratio. Okay, whatever the share of the retiring partner, so that retiring partner share will distribute by the continuing partner or the existing partner in the gaining ratio. So here being adjustment made for goodwill on retirement, it will be the complete journal entry when the goodwill does not exist in the firm. Goodwill means old goodwill is not given in the question, so then the goodwill of retiring partner or share of goodwill of retiring partner need to calculate, and then that goodwill will be distributing by the remaining partner whosoever continue the firm. Okay, so now student, we having a problem related to the situations, and then we are going to solve that. Let's see the problem and then we are going to solve that. Student, we have the problem related to the situation first, or case first. The problem is X, Y and Z were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. It means it is a old ratio of XYZ, that is 3:2:1. Z retires and the new profit sharing ratio between X and Y was 1:2. It is a new profit sharing ratio. Okay, Z रिटायर हो रहा है, एक्स वाई रह जाते हैं, वो 1:2 में अपना न्यू रेशियो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. Z रिटायरमेंट्स गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म वॉज वैल्यूड एट 30,000. गुडविल जो होगी फर्म की वो 30,000 रुपये होगी. किसकी है? फर्म की. नॉट फॉर द पर्टिकुलर पार्टनर, नॉट फॉर द जेड ओनली. ओके, पास नेसेसरी जनरल एंट्री फॉर गुडविल विदाउट ओपनिंग द गुडविल अकाउंट. Here we no need to open the goodwill account. Without opening the goodwill account, then we have to transfer the goodwill, or we have to adjust the goodwill according to the partner's capital account. Okay, so here the solution. First of all, we should calculate the ratios of the partner gaining ratio. Why? Because the goodwill will distribute among the partner in the gaining ratio. So now old ratio is given, that is X, Y and Z. The ratio is 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. New ratio is also given toward X and Y, that is 1/3 and 2/3. Now the gaining ratio is equal to new minus old. It means new ratio minus old ratio. The new ratio for X, that is 1 upon 3 minus old, that is 3 upon 6. So 6 will LCM 3 2 minus minus 3. It means minus 1 upon 6, and if there is a minus sign, so this partner is sacrificing. Okay, this partner is sacrificing. Now y is equal to new ratio, that is 2 upon 3 minus old ratio, that is 2 upon 6. So 6 LCM and 3 2 ja 2 2 ja 4 minus 2, that is 2 upon 6. He is gaining फॉर्मूला है, यहाँ पर प्लस का साइन है तो इट मीन्स ये गेन होगा, एंड y is gaining, so y will debit and x will credit, and z is also going out from the firm, so that's why he is also sacrificing for 1 upon 6. Okay, so treatment of goodwill. So share of x sacrifice in goodwill. So goodwill is of rupees 30,000 of the firm. So according to 30,000 multiply 1 upon 6. 6 5 ja 30. The gaining partner will debit and sacrificing partner will credit. And share of y gaining in goodwill. y कितना गेन करता, 30,000 मल्टीप्लाई 2 upon 6 is equal to 10,000, and z is also going out, so share of z in goodwill 30,000 multiply 1 upon 6, that is the z share, 5,000. So according to the above journal entry, gaining partners are debited and the retiring partner is credited, but here is no mention for the sacrifice partner. If the gaining partner is debited, so sacrifice partner will always credited. Okay, so according to the situation, what the journal entry we have to pass, he is sacrificing, he is gaining, and he is retiring. So retiring partner credit हो रहा है और sacrifice partner will also credit. Only the gaining partner will debit. So the journal entry will pass Y's capital account debit to X capital account and to Z capital account. Y by rupees 10,000, both are by 5,000. So 10,000 Y will debit, and for 5,000 X is credit and Z is credited. Now being compensation of Y to Z for his share in goodwill and to X for the sacrifice made by him on Jed's retirement. This is the narration for the above entry, or we can write the partners capital account are adjusted according to the sacrifice and their gaining ratio on the Z retirement. Okay, this is the first situation under which we have to solve the question. So here sometimes when the partner is retiring from the firm, so then some partners may be sacrificed also, okay, from this problem. So sacrifice partner will credited and only the gaining partner will debited and the retiring partner always credited. Okay students, so now we having a second situation under which we will solve the next problem. Let's see. The second situation is when goodwill exists in the books. लास्ट टॉपिक था हमारा कि जब हमारी गुडविल एग्जिस्ट नहीं है, डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, लेकिन यहाँ पर जब हमारी गुडविल एग्जिस्ट करती है फर्म के अंदर एट द टाइम ऑफ रिटायरमेंट ऑफ द पार्टनर. सो हियर also two situations will generate. First, treatment of old goodwill. When the old goodwill is given and what will be the treatment related to it. So then old goodwill is given and if the goodwill is assets, and when the assets are removed from the firm, so then they will credit. So that's why all partner, you will distribute among the all partners capital account debit and to goodwill account. Okay, so it will distribute in old ratio. Old goodwill always distribute in old ratio, being existing goodwill written off. Okay, whatever the existing goodwill is there, so that goodwill is written off, means partners के द्वारा उसको withdrawal कर लिया गया. Second, treatment of valued goodwill of retiring partner. जब रिटायरिंग पार्टनर है तो उसकी गुडविल का ट्रीटमेंट क्या होगा. सो सेम जनरल एंट्री विल पास इफ द पार्टनर इज गेनिंग. सो गेनिंग पार्टनर capital account debit. If a partner is sacrificing, so to sacrifice partners capital account and to retiring partner. To retiring partners capital account will credit. It will be in gaining ratio. It is in sacrifice ratio and the share of retiring partner. Narration being partners capital account adjusted in their gaining and sacrificing ratio. Okay student, so related to this, now again we are going to solve a problem. So let's see the problem and then we will solve that. Students, we have this problem related to the situation. So the problem is X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3:5. This is the old profit share ratio. X, Y, Z distributing the profit share ratio in 2:3:5. So now the goodwill exists in their books at rupees 50,000. We can say it is a old goodwill. Goodwill exists means it is a old goodwill of the old partners. And X retires, and on the day of X retirement, goodwill is valued at 45,000. जिस दिन X रिटायर होता है उस दिन गुडविल की जो वैल्यू रखी गई है वो 45,000 रुपीज़ है. Y and Z decided to share future profits equally. अब Y और Z जो प्रॉफिट रखेंगे वो बराबर का रखेंगे. पास नेसेसरी जनरल एंट्रीज फॉर द अबव. सो फर्स्ट ratios, so that is old ratio X, Y and Z. So X ratio, that is 2/10, 3/10 and 5/10. The total of all this 10, so that's why 2/10, 3/10 and 5/10. New ratio is also given. The new ratio is Y and Z. X is retired, that is equal, it means 1/2, 1/2. So now the gaining ratio, that is new ratio minus old ratio. So for new ratio for Y 1/2 and the old ratio, that is minus 3/10. So LCM will 10, 2, 5, 5 1 5 and 3, that is 2/10. He is gaining. And Z 1/2 minus, that is 5/10. So 10 LCM, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0/10, means he is not gaining and not sacrificing. Okay, so now the journal entry for this: first, the old goodwill will distribute among the partners in the old profit share ratio. So the journal entry will pass for this: 50,000 of goodwill. So before distributing, we need to calculate the share of goodwill of Y and X only. Z not gaining and not sacrificing, only gaining और sacrifice ratio में distribute होती है goodwill. So now X share in goodwill, तो एक्स का शेयर क्या होगा गुडविल में, जो वैल्यूड हुई है गुडविल 45,000. सो 45,000 मल्टीप्लाई 2/10, that is 9,000. And y gaining share in goodwill, that is 45,000 multiply his gaining ratio, that is 2/10. So 2/10, it is equal to 9,000. So now first we have to distribute the old goodwill, that is 50,000, and the old ratio 2:3:5. So now according to the old goodwill ratio, so all partners means X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit, and 2 goodwill account. The goodwill is 50,000, and this 50,000 of goodwill will distribute among the partner in the old profit share ratio. So 50,000 multiply 2/10, so it is equal to 10,000, and 50,000 multiply 3/10, 15,000, and 50,000 multiply 5/10, that is 25,000. So being existing goodwill written off in old ratio. ओके जो एग्जिस्टिंग गुडविल है वो रिटर्न ऑफ हुई है ओल्ड रेशियो में पार्टनर्स के. एंड नाउ द journal entry for the goodwill which is valued, that is 45,000, and the retiring partner is X and gaining partner is Y. Z is not gaining and not sacrificing, so gaining partner will debit and the sacrificed partner, that is, or the retiring partner, will credit by the rupees of 9,000. So this entry will pass for the valued goodwill at the time of retirement of a partner. So then the Y's capital account debit, Y's capital account debit, and 2 X capital account 45,000 multiply 2/10, that is 9,000, and similarly he is also gaining in this ratio. So narration will being adjustment made for goodwill on retirement. Okay students, both the transactions we have done and both the journal entry we have done related to the situations are given in the question. Okay students, so treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement of a partner. There are two situations, both the situations we have solved out. So I will send you some more questions. If you have feel any problem related to the topic and related to the question, then you can ask. Okay, thank you student for today. Thank you.